Now everything is ready, and as you can see, my seller leads application is empty, my agents are empty, and my zip codes are empty. So I'm gonna execute that part now, and this is I have written in Python. I'm gonna play that and see the magic. I have you can see my cursor. It would be on the uh, same state, and I think there is yeah. Sorry, I have to select the file, and now see the magic. So it has opened the browser, it opened the website, it entered the credentials, it clicked on the login, it I'm not doing anything. I'm even not going to close this pop-up to save the password. So you can see my cursor. Uh, it's on same state. So so it's taking me to the dashboard. It's it's bypassing all the checks of this website, and it showed that it's a human. And now bot has reached to the dashboard. Now it would wait for clients list to be available. It has clicked on it, but there is no list available right now. Now it would wait for next few moments, and it would wait for list that list would be appear so that it can click it. It would click in just few more seconds, and I'm just waiting so that it would click. So it clicked, and it clicked on that list. As you can see, now list is opened, and now it would click on this filter, the filter I have given to it. We can create multiple filters here. So we can give a list of filters here, and it can scrap all the filters from here and input, extract the data and input back to the any CRM. So it clicked on the filter. It would click on the portal button, and portal has been loaded. And then uh, see, this is all the processes a person has to do is doing that. So and it's really quick in that. So as you can see, uh, it is waiting for page to get it load. Once loading would be completed, then it would extract each property available on this page. So for demo, I am just extracting this page. So we can click on further properties. We can extract all 96 listings from this page, but I'm gonna extract just visible right now. So it's extracting right now at the backend. And once that extraction would be completed, it would close this tab and the other tab as well, and it would release the Chrome. So it's doing that. Yeah, it has scrapped all the properties, and as you can see, it has created a system in system language, a JSON, and it has sent that data back to the CRM. I'm using Podio because I have a subscription of that. So as you can see, properties started creating. So agents started creating, and if we go for zip codes, it gets started creating. So 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 as you can see, it would keep on adding into the CRM. So there is one process which is at the backend to extract the data for each zip code from the huduser.government website, because these rents are coming from HUD user. So it is going for each zip code on the US website huduser.gov, and extracting these uh, prices or amounts, rents from for this zip code and adding into that. So when we go into the seller leads, and if we open any of the seller lead, as you can see, let's keep on adding, and now these are 8 properties available. So you can see bed bath, you can see the history here, source, you can see the attached agent here, you can see agent's information here, you can see the zip code here. Now it is working on the pricing index. So after some time it would work on the pricing index, and if the pricing index is in between greater than 1.75, so it would directly send an offer. If that pricing index would be in between 1 and 1.75, then it would put that property under the negotiation drip. So we do have drip sequence here. So unless that person asks us to stop, or he negotiate, and that prospect would move to deals. So This is the whole process we have defined in this automation, and there is nothing you have to do. It's totally automated. Everything is automated. Everything from waking up from 8 a.m. in the morning, logging into the MLS, extracting data, applying filter, extracting data, sending data back to the CRM, generating offers, and sending those offers to actual users. This sorry, this is something which is totally automated. You have to do nothing. You just have to see the magic. Thank you.